Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorials Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make a streak on Snapchat. First, let's go ahead and open Snapchat. Now slide to the right and then you'll be able to see your chat section. Now if you see that I've been sent a snap by someone, so if I go ahead and tap on the camera icon on their chats and snap them back, tap on the send button that appears on the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see that there is a fire emoji that appears below their username. This is a streak. If you send a snap to someone on Snapchat and if you receive a snap from the same person within 24 hours, then one streak will be maintained. This streak will be maintained until 24 hours, and if you keep it on for daily, the streak count will increase gradually. And once you create a streak with someone, if you break it, the count starts back from 1. And this is how you can maintain a streak with someone on Snapchat. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.